Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This. Previously on Picture This, in Part 1, you learned a few tools that would help you be successful with your flip charts. In Part 2, you learned some drawing and lettering techniques to make them visible and readable from across the room. Now in Part 3, we'll explore how to grow your own visual library. Here are a few things you'll need. Now it's time to start growing your visual library. The more you grow your visual library, the more flexibility you have to be able to add images in the moment and in the active role of learning and leading. Here's a technique that I use in my sketchbooks. Take out a piece of paper and draw 4 squares. In each square, write down a concept that is related to your overall theme or idea. In this case, I'm a teacher. An educator might use the following terms: communication, connections, growth, and maybe even learning. So what are some possible images that might reflect this idea? Remember, it's about communicating a message. This isn't about perfect designs or images. I think you'll see what I mean. Here are just a few possible ideas. So let's brainstorm a few other categories. Now we're going to step it up a notch and add a little color to your images. The good thing about chalk pastels is that they cover a good amount of space. They're easy to blend and they really make your images stand out. But really it's not about coloring in like you would a good old-fashioned coloring book. Instead, use the color simply to give dynamic texture and depth to the image. Here are some ways you can do that. So there you have it. These are just a few examples of the types of images you might add to your own personal visual library. In Module 1, Part 4, we'll tackle the nemesis of self-talk as you build your drawing confidence.